One room for your living, dining, and kitchen? Here's how we transformed it into a modern luxury open-plan home where every area works together. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Starting with the living area. The furniture placement keeps the room open and balanced. Then, the dining area. The dining space becomes the connection between each zone. Moving to the kitchen area. The kitchen maximizes function without making the space feel crowded. With smart planning, suitable materials, and the right furniture choices, even a single space can feel open, elegant, and comfortable. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.